Alright, basically what I've got going on here is my PT01 and all of its components, GPS, telemetry, the receiver, buzzer, pitot tube, airspeed sensor. I've eliminated the safety switch. But anyway, it's just all on this board for convenience, basically. I'm doing a lot of testing right now, I've been working through a lot of issues, trying to get my servos to actuate on this fixed wing model that I'm trying to install this PICSOC on. I've been having an insane amount of issues. I can't get Q ground control to recognize that I have any servos. I was able to get the motor to arm, but yeah, just working through these issues. This video is about just working through these issues. Now, I've been doing some research and I have some ideas for today to test. I have a ESC with BEC built in, connected to the PICSOC, so I should have power coming in to the PICSOC power module, powering the PICSOC itself, and then also powering the servo rail separately from the PICSOC. The PICSOC in its default configuration does not power the servo rail, with the exception of the receiver port. That one is powered, but I was running into issues where I had all of my servos, fixed wing, ground surface controls plugged in, and it was doing nothing. So now I have power to the servo rail. And I have just a test little micro servo, ultra micro servo plugged in to see if we get any kind of response. It should all be configured. It should all be fine. But yeah, we're gonna have to just kind of do some testing today. So that's the first time I've had anything. That's exciting. Okay. To start, I'm just going to power everything up with this battery here, plugging it into the PICSOC power module. What we're really going to be looking for is some kind of action out of this guy. Everything else I think is pretty well sorted. So we're focusing on this here, and then hopefully we can apply our findings to our actual servos. So it's green. I don't know all of the PICSOC color codes, blinking, whatever it does. It has a lot of different codes, but green I think is good. I'm gonna arm the PICSOC. My arming switch is on my Turanis here. So disarmed and armed. And there we go. So we've got I've got it plugged into channel 2, and right now that's set up here. So yes, okay, awesome. the box of stuff that I got, it came with a bunch of just random servos. So I want to see if there's one that'll be compatible with the same setup, same size or whatever as that other one on the wing, and see if maybe we can get it swapped out. Something. Look at that. Now if I plug this in at channel 1, we should have the same results. And we do not. There we go. Helps if you plug it in the right way. So. I'm just gonna plug one in and see if it works. Yep, this one's working. Also not a fan of the decals. Mainly because of the shoddy workmanship. Oh no. Of course, dude. Okay, good. Props backwards? Or wait. And the motor spinning the opposite direction it should be, I believe. I'm going to switch two of these wires and it should spin in the other direction. If this is anything like a drone motor, like a quadcopter or whatever. Oh, dude.